Welcome to David Alexander Maths Tuition. This is chapter 14e on laws of logarithms. Okay, so we've been asked to write these as a single logarithm. This is really easy. This is log 3 and this is log 3. So when you're adding two logs, we can combine them and we need to remember that we multiply. So it's going to be the log 3 of 5 multiplied by 7, and that is the log 3 of 35. Here's another example, log 2 of 12 plus log 2 of 2. We can write that as the log 2 of 12 multiplied by 2, so log 2, 24. We've got a log 7 and another log 7, so it's again we're adding 2 together, so that's going to be the log 7 of 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12. So when we were adding them, we were multiplying. So when we're subtracting two logs, we are going to therefore divide. So we've got a log 3 of something and another log 3 of something. So that's going to be a log 3 of, since it's subtraction, we're going to do 35 divided by 7. So log 3 of 5. We've got a log 2 and a log 2. So that's going to be log 2 of 12 divided by 2, which is 6. And a log 7 and a log 7. So that's going to be log 7 of 32 divided by 4, which is 8. So really important to learn the basics of this slide and the previous one. So when we've got two logs that we're adding, we need to multiply the numbers together, and when we're subtracting, we divide the numbers. Okay, so here we've got a slight problem because we've got a number in front. Now what we can do with this number, we need to remember that 2 log 3 of 5, that can be written as log 3 of 5 squared. So that means we have the log 3 of 25 plus log 3 of 7. So that becomes log 3 of 25 multiplied by 7, which I believe is 175. Okay, so the 5 log 2 of 2, we can move that 5 up to here. So that is log 2 of 2 to the power of 5. So that becomes log 2 12 plus log 2 32. And that is going to be the log 2 of 12 multiplied by 32. I can't do that in my head, that's 384. 3 log 7 3, well that is going to be the log 7 of 3 cubed, minus 2 log 7 4, well that is 4 to the power of 2, so 4 squared. So that becomes log 7 of 9 divided by 16, so we can just write that as log 7 of 9 over 16. So here's a worded question. Write as a single logarithm and simplify your answer. Okay, so we've got log 3 of 54 minus log 3, 2. So that's going to be the log 3 of 54 divided by 2. And what is 54 divided by 2? Is 27. So that is the log 3 of 27. Now, what is 27? Well, 27, is that a power of something? Yeah, that is the log 3 of 3 cubed. So if this is a square number or a cube number or something to the power of 4 or to the power of 5, I mean, usually it's something that would be relatively easy to spot. You can write it as 3 cubed. And remember that this power can come down to the front. So that is 3 log 3 of 3. Okay, so here's some other fun ones. So write in terms of log AX, log AY and log AZ. So all of these questions really just making sure that you understand the laws and you can manipulate logs. So x squared is being multiplied by y to the 4, which is being multiplied by z. So if it's writing that as 3 separate logs, that's going to be log A x squared plus log A y to the power of 4 plus log A z. And remember that these powers can come down to the front. So it's 2 log AX plus 4 log AY plus log A squared. Here we've got a division, so that means we can subtract one log from another. So that's going to be log AX cubed minus log AZ to the 4. And again, the powers can come down to the front, so it's 3 log AX minus 4 log AZ. Okay, so here we've got the log A of the square root of AXY. So I can write that first of all as the log A of the whole thing to the power of a half, which means A to the half, X to the half, Y to the half. writing that as separate logs, that is going to be log a to the half plus log a x to the half plus log a y to the half. And again, these powers can come down to the front, so that's half log a of a, half log a of x, plus 1/2 log a of y. Let's just have a quick look at the half log a of a. So, what is the value of the log a of a? Log a of a equals what? So what that means is a to the power of x equals a, so therefore x must be 1. So the log a of a is 1. So therefore, if the log a of a is 1, we can just get rid of this. That's 1 times a half. We can just turn this into 1/2. So that's 1/2 plus 1/2 log a of x plus 1/2 log a y. There we go. So yeah, just remember that the log a of a, or the log 2 of 2, or the log whatever of whatever is always 1. So there is our final answer down there. Solve the following equations. So log 2 of 5 plus log 2 of x equals 4. So we've got two log 2's here, and they're being added together, so we can combine that into a single log. So that is the log 2 of 5x, and that equals 4. So therefore 5x equals 2 to the power of 4. So therefore 5x is 16. So therefore x is 16 over 5. Now there's always the worry that you're just reinventing the laws of maths here. So why not just substitute 16 over 5 into this equation over here? Just type it into your calculator. Do you get 4? Yes, you do. You know you've got it right. So first of all, with this second example, 3 log 5 of 5, I'm going to write that as log 5 of 5 cubed. And that is log 5 of 125. And that equals log 5 of x plus 4. So I'm going to subtract the log 5x from both sides. So I'm going to have the log 125 subtract log 5x equals 4. So I'm going to combine this into a single log. So that's going to be the log 5 of 125 divided by x equals 4. So therefore, what I can say here is 125 over x is 5 to the power of 4. So therefore 125 divided by 5 to the power of 4 equals x. And what is 5 to the power of 4? Well, let's just do 125 divided by 5 to the power of 4. X is going to be 1/5. And again, substitute it into your equation. Are you getting an answer of 4? If you do, happy days, you know you've got the answer correct.